Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got some pro tips for you on how to get a super high score in Block Blast. If you're ready to beat your personal best and climb the leaderboards, keep on watching. So first things first, let's break down how scoring works in Block Blast. Understanding the game mechanics is key to maximizing your score. Next is always plan a few moves ahead. Block Blast rewards strategic thinking. Instead of reaching to the current layout, think about how each move will set you up for the next. Now focus on clearing multiple lines at once. This not only boosts your score, but also clears more space for future blocks, which is really good. Special blocks are game changers. Use them wisely to maximize their potential, and these blocks can clear larger areas and trigger chain reactions from massive points. And you must always remember that patience is key. Don't rush your moves and take your time to analyze the board and wait for the right opportunity to clear multiple lines or set of big combo. There's a common mistake everyone is doing, and it is filling up the board too quickly. Always keep some space open for maneuver your blocks and create opportunities for larger clears. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving super high scores in Block Blast. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Bye!